Invite members on Band. Band offers easy ways to invite members. Tap Invite. Choose the best way to invite members. Share an invite URL via SMS, email, or Messenger. Select the members you want to invite. And tap Send. Share an invite through text. Invite members to your band and explore features together. Here's more ways to invite members. To invite members from other bands, tap Invite Band Friends. Select a band. And select members you want to invite. If you're with members, create an invite code and share it with your friends. Or show them a QR code. Once invited, members will appear on the list. Now, let's send out those invites. Band. Organize your groups.